Next turkey hunting success. This is Brad.
All right, much better. They're all open. Got a lot of water flowing now. Gonna save me a turtle today. I want to actually run him over. See how he looks like clay hump there. Hey, easy, buddy. Let's get you all the way out of where I ain't working here. How about you go that way? I've been looking for arrowheads, trying to be like my buddy Justin and find one, but so far nothing. So far nothing. Of course, I'm kind of going by a little bit fast, but trying to look for something that looks different on my way on each pass. All right, this is the very first plot that I worked up and burned. You can see it's back to fescue again. I'm gonna rip it up again. Another pass. It's finally, I think, dry enough. And then I'm gonna work up some more. I worked up that 8-acre piece up there about a week or two ago. I'm gonna try and get a second pass on that one. Taking a second pass. This stuff is really hard to break up, but I'm almost done now with the chisel. Working up everything that we burned, and then the next phase I'll start it on disc and a drag. You can see how tough it is, and it's moist. It's taking everything I got with that 73 horse to work this up, but I'm almost done. This is the last probably acre, and then that's it for this chisel for this year.
All right, let's move on to our next turkey hunting success. This is Brad. I got a little short video clip. We are continuing our 100% streak of longbeards to help us generate a little food plot income this spring.
Another longbeard.
Yeah, you have a lot of turkey here.
Congrats, man.
Thank you.
Wow, they are kind of ugly.
Yeah, they're a weird bird.
So you heard a few?
Oh, a bunch of gobbles. And yeah, they're pretty much all around me. And this one, I could tell he was working back and forth, and I gave a few hen yelps, and he came my direction.
Sweet. How long is that beard there?
I don't know, like maybe I would just say like 8 inches maybe.
Sweet. Well, it goes up into the feathers, doesn't it, a ways to your chest? Sweet. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Oh, yeah. It's probably way bigger than that, actually.
Yep. Oh, nice. Congrats, man. That's awesome. Another one bites the dust. Chicken meat.
You have an awesome place here.
I appreciate it. Been working on it a little bit.
Those food plots you made are paying off for sure.
Yeah, nice.
April 27th. Starting to fill in.
All right, April 30th, almost into May. Here's my pond dam. Couldn't get this pile moved. It was too wet and greasy with the bulldozer, high lifter. You can see my pond dam is coming in. So it won't be a whole lot longer till I get to mow it for the first time. But we've been getting hammered with rain, so it's plenty moist. So it'll be a little mini green jungle here in just 2-3 weeks. We'll catch up. Well, there's looks like a couple turkeys over there. Maybe a strutter and a hen during my beach time. Got one more hunter coming this week and then we're done. Oh, there's the gobble. Nice. Right along the driveway. Got some big bullfrogs now. Trail repair with the rake. This area was all rutted up. Get them knocked down. It's got to be just the right moisture though for this. Can't be too wet. Or too dry for that matter. We're going to switch back, so I just did one drag first, and then after a few rains we're going to switch back and you're going to see the difference when it's nice and moist. Oh, another downpour. Woo! Guess I got temporary shelter in the sauna. Alright, we've been getting pummeled with torrential rain. Look at this, everything's underwater. I did the culvert fix just this afternoon. So let's go see how them 4 pipes are working now that they're brand new open. I'm glad I did it. I'm pretty confident it ain't gonna be running over, but look at all the water here in the driveway up here up high. This needs a new crown really bad. Oh, look at that, wow. Man, is that water. But I'll get to it eventually. Yeah, it's just floating right down these lanes right here. Let's go, oh wow. Let's go check out them culvert pipes. Woo, look at all that water. All right, much better. They're all open. Got a lot of water flowing now.